how many ounces for the sandwich?
Sandwich for 4 ounce and this is for 10. Sorry, yes, I'm making the This is a sandwich to go sweater.
Sure. What one is this one called?
This is a brisket sandwich.
Okay.
Now I'm going to make your
The pit dip sandwich. Say that one 5 times fast, people.
You can get it? It's good here?
Yeah. It's fine. Oh, wait. Oh, there. Oh, okay. Got it.
So this is a flatbread and then cheese. Then it goes, it's caramelized.
Oh, nice.
So yeah. And it goes. You get it? Here?
Yeah.
So it's come with 6 ounces of meat. I put a little extra for you. Here. Spicy sauce, sweet sauce.
Sorry, did you say spicy sauce?
Spicy barbecue or sweet barbecue? Which
A
one?
little bit of spice and a little and more sweet. How about that? I don't.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't mind a little bit of a heat, but not too much. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Good. Thank you.
Alright. Fries. So
That's a big sandwich.
spaghetti
Nice.
and
Beautiful. Look at that. Amazing.
give some onions, pickle.
Amazing. I'm glad I came here.
Just bring 2-3 rings, okay?
Oh my gosh.
This looks good.
Amazing. Yeah.
That's okay. Bring that.
Okay. Oh, look at her. Shake it, baby. Wow. The ear. Nice. So this is the Manhattan or the old fashioned? Which one?
That's
Manhattan. Is that the... Oh. Okay. Nice. So I'm back here at Dickey's Barbecue Pit.
472 Yonge Street.
472
472 Yonge Street.
Yonge Street, between College and Wellesley on the west side. Anyway, so it's been a long day and I haven't eaten all day, so I said let's go back to Dickey's. This is about my 3rd time coming back here, so I'm a regular, and I'm gonna have their sorry, but it's called Pit Dip Sandwich. $17.99, comes with fries. So here's the beef brisket. Here's the Zeus, I think it's. I should probably take a picture beforehand. So let me take a picture. But you can see. So, pit dip sandwich. All right, I'm gonna dip it in the sauce. It's good. Messy. So tender. The first bite, yes, the first bite, so tender and yummy. It's very good. Comes with fries. I'm gonna dip it in the Zoo's sauce. It's so good. Too bad you guys are not here to try it. But if you live in Toronto, you gotta give this place a try. So good. Downtown Toronto, 472 Yonge Street, Dickey's Barbecue Pit. You gotta come and give them a try. They're open late now. Check out their website. Dipping it in, taking one more. Take your bite.